Hello everyone! I thought today I'd show you how to draw some pictures of beetles to carry on with our mini beast learning. I love the bug hotel photos I got yesterday from some of you, so well done and keep sending them in if you've got any. So today we're going to learn how to draw a beetle that looks like this. Now the things with a lot of mini beasts, including beetles, is they are symmetrical on both sides, which means they are exactly the same on both sides. So we're going to use the same colours and patterns on one side and put them on the other side so it's mirrored. So I'm going to show you how to do this now. So you're going to need a piece of paper and some pencils or crayons or felt tip pens, whatever you've got at home. I'm using some soft pastels today so I can blend some of my colours together. Okay. I'm going to start off with a dark colour and I'm going to do the outline of my beetle. So I'm going to start off by giving him a head, which is just going to be a round little shape like that. Okay. On the top of his head I'm going to give him two big buggy eyes. And then the first part of his body, because beetles are usually made up of three parts. So that's what it looks like so far. We've got his eyes, his head, and the first part of his body. I'm going to add the next bit of his body now, so I'm going to put my pencil on the page and I'm going to do one big straight line, and that's going to be where his wings will go. And then I'm going to put his curved side around until it meets the point, and the other curved side around until it meets the point. So it should be the same on both sides. So now I've got the body done. The next bit I'm going to do is his arms. So he's going to have 6 arms or legs. And I'm going to start at the top. So the first lot of legs are going to come off the first body section up here. So I'm going to do a little shape coming off like this and square it off like a little rectangle. And then I'm going to change direction and the next part's going to go up and square it off. Another rectangle. And I'm going to do little circle and a claw. Spiky claw on the end. So it is just 2 rectangles, 2 circles and a spiky claw. And I'm going to repeat that on the same side because remember they have to be symmetrical, the same on both sides. So I'm going to do little rectangle, change the direction and do another little rectangle, little circle and a claw. So we've got 4 more legs to go. The next ones are going to be a bit bigger because they're further down their body. These are going to be the stronger legs. So it's the same again. I'm going to do a big shape coming off. This is more of a triangle on both sides. And then change direction and do another triangle going down. Little circle and claw. Little circle and claw. And I'm going to do the same again with 2 more legs at the bottom. And then we've got our bug body. And now I can start thinking about what colours I want my beetles to be. So they're usually really bright. You can have a look at some photos on Google, or you might have some nature books with beetles in at home, so have a look at those. And I'm going to choose the colours. And remember, it has to be the same on both sides. So I'm going to choose this time. So last time I did pinks and purples and yellows. I think I'm going to do like greens and blues this time because they're colours that go together well. And I'm going to do a stripy beetle, but you might want to do circles or zigzags, dots, dashes, or just one big colour, it's up to you, but remember it has to be the same on both sides. So I'm going to do stripes. I'm going to have 3 blue stripes on that side and 3 blue stripes on this side because it has to be the same, and then I'm going to fill in the other gaps with another colour. Green goes well with blue. It's 4 green stripes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because they're soft pastels, they blend together, so I might want to use my finger to blend the colours, but if you're just using crayons or felt tips, then yours won't do that. And then another colour for his head and thorax, I'm going to use yellow because that goes well with blue and green. So this time I'm just doing one colour instead of stripes, so you can use different techniques, different spot stripes. I might give him a spotty head. And I'm going to colour his eyes in as well, so it looks like he's really looking at me. And you can colour his legs in as well, or you can just leave them blank like yours. See if you can have a go at drawing a beetle for me.